Moments in Jamaica's History from the RG Archives. Let's take a journey to August 3, 1961. A cheering crowd welcomes the unveiling of the Jamaica Labour Party symbol, a map of Jamaica, to be used in the voting in the referendum. That same day, Norman Manley informed a crowd at Halfway Tree in St. Andrew that the date of a referendum on whether Jamaica should remain as a member of the Federation of the West Indies would be September 19, 1961, and that he would offer himself for election as a candidate at the next elections for the federal parliament. For more information on the RG Archives, email rgarchives@rgarglenagroup.com or call 876-733-2404 or 876-932-6231.